welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nashley. I have a few tips and tricks here and there for not only motherhood but home decor as well. So if that's something that you are interested in, then consider subscribing. Today's video is going to be about installing a batten board wall. I have decided to put in a batten board wall in my bathroom just to kind of jazz up that wall. It was feeling a little bit bland, and what better way to make a functional thing like something that holds your towels into something beautiful that works with your space. If you're interested in creating a batten board wall for your space, then keep on watching. We're gonna get right into it. There are no glue lines on the tile. I'm ready to go in with the batten board. So this is what I got. I'll leave the links down in my description box below, but this is a hard board. It's primed and I had it cut to size, and I will show that to you in a little bit, the sizes that I cut for my space. This is a 1x4. I got one of those. That's going to be my baseboard. I got 5 of 1x3s. Oop, there's gonna fall. And 1x2 for the little top trim. So I have to cut these to sizes. This is already cut. I'm good to go with that. So this is what I bought for the batten board wall. In order to attach all of the pieces of this batten board wall onto the wall, I will use liquid nails to adhere it to the wall, and then to really secure it, I'm going to use a nail gun as you see me using here. This way I know for sure this thing is going to stay up and not budge. Now that this is attached to the wall, I can kind of see that my wall curves a little bit and that there's about a ½ inch discrepancy between each of the boards. I'll make it work, it's not a big deal. Anyway, now I'm cutting all the trim. I'm using 5 1x3s. 4 of them will be cut to 63 inches tall. The other one will be cut to 64 inches tall. And then a 1x4, that's going to be our baseboard, and that'll be 64 inches tall as well. Okay, so behind the toilet is a total of 30 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it here, and this is what's gonna go behind the toilet. It won't fit like this, so I have to cut it in half, or 13 inches, because this is what's going to sit right behind the toilet so that it's not as visible, and then I'm just gonna fill it in with some caulking and paint it, and I think it'll be okay. And it'll be covered mostly by the toilet, so it won't matter. And then that would be it. What's it like inside your mind, my dear? When planning this batten board wall, I knew that I was gonna use 2 hard boards. However, I decided to make the cut where I would cover it with one of the trim pieces. That way it looked like one seamless hardboard. And one of the reasons I used hardboard instead of just putting these on the wall was because my wall is textured and I wanted to avoid having that textured look to my batten board wall. It's just a personal preference. Okay, that top piece is a 1x3. It's cut to 64 inches, and then this is the 1x2, and I laid it on its flat side over that 1x3, and it just created a ledge, which I think is so pretty. Now I'm going in with caulk, and I am filling in empty spots and the little holes from the nails. And I'm also going to use some wood filler to fill in those transitions. That way it's ultra smooth when you go paint it and you can't tell that, you know, it's multiple pieces put together. Now I'm sanding those pieces down to create, again, that very smooth finish. Okay, so now I'm going in with a primer. I'm gonna use this one. This is the Bare Stain Blocking Primer and Sealer. I'm just gonna go one coat of this, then I'm gonna lightly sand it down with a very fine grit, paper grit, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna paint it ultra white, the same as the baseboards in here. Advice for you is to paint your walls after you are done with this batten board if you're looking to have it be different colors. It's just less hassle, but it looks so good. I'm gonna let this dry and then go in with ultra white. Now I'm installing some hooks that I found on Amazon. They will be linked down below, but they're just a touch of modern to this very traditional wall, and I just love them. So pretty. Okay, all that hard work has been put in. Honestly, it was kind of simple. It wasn't that hard, but it has definitely transformed the space. So let me reveal it to you in 3, 2, 1. Wasn't that just incredible? The wall went from super bare, super bland to a very beautiful and functional piece in that guest bathroom. I'm thrilled with the way it turned out, and it's amazing how simple and affordable it could actually be to recreate something very custom for your own space. If this video helped you out, I hope you can give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more content like this, and hit that bell notification so that you are the first to be notified when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!